Alright, we're starting today's video out with not
filming my fat fingers, bro. God.
No, homeboy don't know how to tie a knot.
I don't know how to tie the gay knot, man.
What you gonna throw? You gonna throw this?
No, I'm not throwing this.
Yes, you are.
No,
this is gonna be
sucks.
no. This is gonna be God tier.
No, it sucks.
I'm telling you, bro. Just do this.
No.
I'm telling you guys, you're throwing this curly tail. Just take off a little bit of the tip, a little bit of that end right there.
Give me that. If I don't catch fish within the next hour,
he's gonna catch fish. Don't worry about it.
you.
All right. Well, I'll show you what I'm throwing right now.
You trick worm it?
Yeah. No, I'm not throwing trick worm. I'm throwing the same thing you're doing.
Oh, I mean, I'm Texas rigged.
Yeah, I Texas rigged it. So, throwing in Texas rigged. Same thing, curly tail, but mine's a different color. Mine's red and a blue flake. And then I got this new rod today. That's the main purpose of this video. Is this $29 Lose Speed Stick Laser Rod. And as you can see, it's beautiful. I put my other Lose reel on there, and this can be for crankbaits. I got a crankbait on there right now. This is a 610 medium. So I'm gonna talk more in depth when we start out there going fishing and I first throw it. But yeah, I'll meet you guys on the water. All right, just now showing up to the spot. We're gonna start out with the crankbait. I'm excited. I got this one from a mystery tackle box that I just bought today. I bought it from like the Walmart mystery tackle box. I don't know. That's where I got the rod from. So the rod's from Walmart. The price for this rod came out to like $29. And I'm excited to try it out. So let's see how this does. So what we got here, a $29 Lose Speed Stick Laser. It's a 610 medium power rod. And this thing, I just cast it once, and it is casting like a dream. It just feels so good. I'm so excited. Can't wait to get a fish on to see how this thing reacts. I'm gonna keep walking down. Oh, the fish just came at it. Saw that? That was crazy. Let's keep getting, they like this thing apparently. Oh my gosh, let's get out here and get a fish. My brakes might be a little too light. But just if I catch a fish on a crankbait, it's gonna be my first ever crankbait fish. Just so you all know. Oh, I got thumped again. Yeah, like everything. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, hold on. Oh! Hook to the face, it's fine. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Right here's gonna be a fish, I promise. Right here. Oh, there was one chasing it. Come on. So we're back on that same pond that I was fishing yesterday. And every duck in America is still here. That's cool. But yeah, I know that this thing is gonna get hit right over here because this is the main open area. And it's really deep. It's deeper over here. So I know for a fact. Come on. Gosh. This rod though is so nice. Like for only $29. This thing is absolutely crazy. So there's two versions of this rod. There, I believe that they sell at Walmart. It's the 610, which is the one that I have. I just got thumbed. This is the 610 medium, and then they have the 7-foot medium heavy. Which, I mean, if you wanted like a multi-purpose rod, the 7-foot would not be bad, and it doesn't break the bank. It's only 25 bucks or 29 bucks. something. And then I know they also have a spinning rod. I saw that one too, but that was like a 6.6 medium, which isn't, you know, 6.6 medium is not my favorite. It's a little short for me. All right, let's give this other bait a try. I mean, I want to make the majority of this video around this rod, but I also want to catch some fish. So this is a 10-inch, and I think it's right now, I broke it down, so it's about 8 inches long. If I catch it right there by that tree, boom. If anything will come out to get it. Yep. Oh no, did we get stuck on the stick? Oh, we're good. Yeah, we did get stuck on the stick though. I forget that there's a stick. Yeah, that looks like a freaking spear. You know, stick. The freaking tomahawk. I don't know. I'll give it a cast. I'm not feeling too good. I'm not feeling too good about this. Oh, yeah, we got a fish on. That's crazy. That's crazy. Stay down. Oh yeah. Right in the mouth. Look at this boy skating in here. Get up. Up. Get up in here. Look at this little boy. Okay. All right, buddy. All right. All right, don't hurt me. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. Okay. Not a bad one. I bet you I caught this one yesterday. Yeah, man, I caught one. He's a good pound. It's not a bad fish. I'm gonna get a picture of him with the bait. Hold on, all right. Like gave up. Once I hooked in. That was awesome. Oh. All right, that was first. That's the hard part right there. It's getting it up over that grass. Just down here. So yes, this is my first time using a bait caster also, in case you guys were wondering. Well, like and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Oh, right there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at this camera. Come on. All right, I'm switching up angles. Whoa. All right. Jeez, this is overgrown like crazy. I was here like 3 weeks ago. is nothing here. Like plant-wise. It's crazy. Good that looks. That looks so good. I bet. Alright. As fun as this is, I want to start catching some fish. So, we're gonna add a little switch up. Let's start throwing that Senko. And the water over here is really dirty, so this is going to work really well. It's a nice little white pearl. Yum dinger. I think it's what it's called. Yum dinger. Yeah. Let's get this thing. Nice little tap tap in. Tap tap. Should be a big bite right here. Bet. You get any luck? No? You throwing a black and blue?
Yeah, my yellow green broke.
What, you don't have any more of them?
It got on a tree and a fish tried to take it, but he grabbed the end of it and just destroyed it.
Caught that one on the crankbait.
Did you?
Yeah. And it was like it was nice. When I hooked set into it, the rod held up. I was nervous. They're just like dead weight. Like the fish just gave up. So I was like, did I hook and set into a branch? But nah, homie just gave up. All right, moving to your spot. But I'm giving you my honest review about this rod. 10 out of 10. Held up to a good fish. The hook set was nice. And as long as you're not throwing like super heavy baits on it, it should be fine. Like this is a really this is pretty bulky crankbait, and you can feel that reaction, you can feel that vibration that it's given. And like when I hook set into it, the fish just, you know, it did a really strong hook set. And honestly, yeah, I would recommend this rod to anyone. So yeah, if you're looking for a good rod that's not going to break the bank and good quality, this rod is the one for you. It's $29. It's at Walmart. I'm pretty sure you probably buy it anywhere though. It sells fishing gear, they might sell it, but this one's mainly at this is where I bought it from, is Walmart. And yeah, it's just a good overall rod. Here, I'm probably switch up some baits. I'm gonna probably stop using this one because we're getting to some lower water, and start fishing some banks like right here. Let's get it. Watch this. First cast. Let's get it. Right here. I just saw a butt. Just saw a bust, that's why. Come on, I just saw you bust right here. Might have been a sticky catfish though. Hold up, let's see. I think we need to switch up this bait. Something. There you guys go. Gosh. Let's see. I'm not gonna switch on my battery. Yeah, I gotta switch it out real quick. Here's what I'm switching to. A Okeechobee crawl. Bandito bug. Honestly, probably one of my favorite baits to throw. I've caught tons of fish on this thing. And you put this like a little jig trailer. Ooh, money. What are you throwing, Chris?
Me throwing a pumpkin fluke.
Oh, fluke. Those things are huge.
Yeah, he's a big boy.
They're jumbo flukes. Ain't this no normal fluke. When I saw that, I was like, holy. There. All right, we're back to the spot that I caught the first fish from yesterday. So this tree right here. So I'm gonna cast a few casts along the bank, and then I'm gonna call it because I got some stuff to do tonight. So only a few more casts. Let's hope we catch one. Let's make sure this bait is set. There we go. Say something back so I don't look stupid, Chris. You lost him, no! No!
Really?
Maybe you need to hook that harder next time.
It went, like, I thought he was taking it.
You need to hook that harder next time.
He was taking it south, bro. He was going to Mexico.
Mexico.
That thing, man.
What's he talking about over there? That's where I want you. Boom. God, you went like right next to my ear.
What?
You almost hit me.
No, I didn't. You got it.
Okay. Whew, it's not. All right. I think that's gonna call it. All right, we'll meet you back at the car. All right, guys, that's gonna end the video today. Caught one fish on the crankbait with the new rod. So we did what we came here to do. We caught a fish on the brand new rod. Did you catch any, Chris?
No, just a bite.
Just a bite.
Two bites.
2 bites. Cool. Well, hey, if you guys are looking for a cheap rod that's really good quality and catches fish, hey, that's $29 loose rod. Cut. That $29 that $29 lose rod is the one for you. All right, well, we're gonna head out. Stay sweet, like and subscribe. All right, peace.